In this video, we're going to test another use case of ChatGPT's Operator. This is the feature that you need ChatGPT's $200 a month plan to access right now, so I paid it so that we can test it together. In this video, we're going to use a business use case with Operator, and I'm going to show you how it works and if it actually is able to accomplish the task that we want. So for this video, we are going to see if it can help us with some sales data entry work. So I have a company called conferencetap.com, which is an event app software that allows events to have an event schedule on their phone or use it for setting up a virtual or hybrid event. So one potential sales avenue for me is finding conferences that are happening in the future, getting the contact information for that conference, and then sending them an email to see if they need event app software. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to go up to the top real quick and show you what I asked it. I said, go to Eventbrite, search for conference in the date range of May 2025. And then I asked it to click in and find if they have an email in their event description that we can use to actually save that email and then kind of create a list of emails to contact. So let me just pause this real quick so I can show you what's happened so far. So first, it started searching. I asked it specifically for conferences in the USA. Otherwise, it was just searching in one city. Then it was having trouble selecting May 1st through May 31st. So I took control and I selected it as the date. So what you can do in Operator is take control and then actually use the browser yourself. Then it worked for 4 minutes, basically going in and trying to find contacts. It said it found this one contact, which was great. And then I said, keep going. So it continued. And then basically it's continuing to do that now. So that is the task. I'm just going to say, please continue. And the idea is, am I able to use this to scrape websites and get information that I want? Now, of course, there are different ways to scrape websites, and you could, scrape websites with different data tools. But what I think is cool about this is allowing anyone, even if you're non-technical, to just tell it what you want it to do, go to a website where you know there's information that you want, and try to search in the descriptions and see if there's email contacts that we want to save. So I think this is a real world use case that could be modified for a lot of different potential use cases that you might want to do for yourself. So I'm going to pause the video. Let's let it run a little bit longer and see what it's able to come up with. So it's been 3 more minutes and I just wanted to pause the video to see how many contacts it had. So I paused its work. You can just press pause so it stops working. And I asked it to give me a list, please, of all of the contacts it has so far. So here it gave me a list of 11 contacts that it created so far, or that it was able to scrape from searching. And I'm sure it would continue going until it got even more contacts. So it does take time, but what's cool is that in ChatGPT Operator, you can go up and you can see you can have tasks in progress. You can have up to 3 tasks in progress at once. And you could just have this running. I don't think there's a limit. So I think it could run for hours and just kind of continue to scrape and get contacts. So this is a cool real world use case that seemed to work really well. So in the other video that I created, which was using ChatGPT's Operator to use Card and actually generate a landing page by using the software, that didn't work quite as well. But for something like this, where it's scraping the internet and clicking into different pages and reading them and finding the information that I want, it seems to work really well. So with this use case, I'm going to give it an A right now. I do need to test it a little bit more. Hopefully it continues to work and kind of work for a long period of time to get me a lot of contacts. But overall, I'm really impressed with this so far. And I'm excited to continue using it and testing it. Leave a comment below to let me know what you want me to test with ChatGPT's Operator next. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get all of those videos in your YouTube feed for free right here. And if you want to learn more about AI and no-code in more detail, check the link in our description to go to No Code MBA, the leading no-code and AI education platform where you can learn from top experts in the industry how to use no-code and AI tools. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.